Hello and welcome to Math 123, this spring 2025 season. Super excited to have you here. And yeah, I'm just going to go through a couple of things so that you can kick off the class quickly and get started and hopefully have everything you need. So first things first, I'm Becky. I'll be your instructor for this course. Quick 8 weeks. We will meet together 8 times and hopefully at the end you're all good to go and done. One thing to start, the announcements. I will be putting a lot of things in the announcements that will be hopefully helpful. So please check those kind of on a regular basis. Make sure that if somebody asks a question and it's a really good question, I will post that in the announcements just so everybody can have that information. So just something to kind of check periodically. Before you jump in to anything, I do recommend checking out the syllabus. It's got all of the important information. So just heads up, we meet every Wednesdays at 1 p.m. Eastern via Zoom. You'll notice the Zoom link on the left. That is where we will be meeting. If you can't make it, please email me as soon as possible so we can talk about that. If you need to talk to me about anything, email. That is really the only way to get a hold of me. I do not give out my cell phone number, so just go ahead and send me an email and we will kind of go from there. Okay, but read through the syllabus. It gives all the information about the course, kind of let you know what's happening. And then we're going to jump into the modules. So this is really where the important piece comes in. You can see the calendar of activities, what's happening each week, if you want to check that out. But this is an 8-week course and there are 8 modules. So essentially we are doing one module a week. And you'll notice there's kind of a lot in these modules. So kind of the easy way to think about it is anything with a number in front of it is a homework assignment. So you'll notice here in this first week, we have 6 homework assignments. The reason there are 6 is because I've made them into small chunks. I am a huge fan of like accomplishing something and crossing it off my to-do list and feeling really good about that. I also don't want to spend 4 hours at one time doing one assignment. It may or may not take you 4 hours. But the point is, these are broken down into small chunks. So you could do assignment 1 on Monday. You could do assignment 2A on Tuesday, maybe 2B and 3A on Wednesday. You can break it down into manageable chunks, do a little bit every day, and crush it. Okay, so we have those. You are, hopefully, you've received your workbook. I don't know where mine is because I cleaned my office and therefore I can't find anything. But the workbook goes through and follows the sections. So you'll notice here in Module 1, there are 3 sections. If you click on the videos, these videos follow the workbook. And so these are like the lecture portion of the course. I highly recommend you watch the videos, you work through the workbook together, with the videos, and then you go through and do the homework. So you kind of get the lecture portion with the videos, and then you can do the homework from there. We will talk more about some things in details when we meet on Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern via Zoom, but I also want you to be able to hit the ground running on Monday, or before then, frankly. Now, one thing I do want to draw your attention to, you'll notice that there is in-class work week 1. During our class sessions, we will go over a couple of problems from sections 1, 2, and 3. So we will do them together. We'll talk through them. I'll ask questions. You'll give answers. We will do that work together. And then you will submit it and you will receive points for that. If you don't come to class, you are still expected to do it. You just don't have necessarily the answers, because if you come to class and you do it along with us, you will have all of the correct answers. So again, we'll talk more about that on Wednesday. So again, every module is due in that particular week. You'll notice everything in Module 1 is due January 19th. That is the Sunday after. So our sessions run basically Monday to Sunday. So every Monday starts the new week. We meet on Wednesday, so kind of right in the middle. If you have questions, bring them. We can talk about it from there. Okay, so get yourself familiar with the course before our Wednesday class. Bring your questions. We'll go over all of the important things. And then hopefully we'll be able to kick it off and do some good math this semester. If you have questions before then, go ahead and give me an email. Again, it's in the syllabus. And yeah, hopefully we have a good spring semester. Thanks all. See you soon.